whole time, just so you know. Also, here's gonna be Irish flag because I'm gonna do wobble test with this on it. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. I have my tape roll right here. This is gonna be like a premiere. So basically, it's gonna go on the 17th because that's St. Patrick's Day. And then here's the sword because after that, I'm gonna post Ceiling Fan versus Katana. Also, this is a fake one. So yeah, I'm gonna have to use this tape. I'm gonna tape up this. I'm gonna tape up this blade, like these blades on because they're taped on. But yeah. Also, why did I place the stuff in a paper bag? That's because it would be boring because if it was just there, it'd basically just be a ceiling fan falling on a plain ground. But this one, it will pop the black bag and it makes a sound like this because I did it last night. As you can see, that's loud. But yeah, I'm gonna tape this on and let's do that. Okay, that was awkward. Finished with it. Now I'm gonna hook this up here. I tried to bring this to my boat, but it didn't work. So yeah, I just set this up. Don't want to disappoint you. Ow! Yeah, the plastic bag's okay, but that popped out of it. It's just a little like hole, like yeah, like definitely like just like little, like really little hole. It's just a really little hole, a really little hole, just a really little hole.